Airbus A380 is launched.
Wouldn't want to be dancing. I'd be throwing up. Yeah, I know. I'd be throwing up. Yeah, I know. Your stomach is in the pit of you.
Hello, Michael. How are you doing? You've had a busy morning. Thanks very well, thanks, Sean. I had a busy morning. It's great to be here in the commentary box once again. A bit of feedback there. I don't know. The microphone. Singapore, 10th to Korea, 5 China Southern Airlines, 6 Malaysia, 5 and 6 British Airways, something so big. Yes, useful 5 technology, keeping it well.